What's up guys? Adrian here. Welcome to Motorista Adventures. So today guys, very special day today kasi nandito ang Geely Coolray Comfort. Okay? So ito yung i-review natin ngayon guys. This will be the base model ng Geely lineup. So if you guys are new to my channel, hit subscribe and then click nyo yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo guys kung meron mga bagong video sa akin channel. Okay? So tara, tignan natin yung exterior. Tapos punta tayo sa interior, punta tayo sa likod. And then lastly, check natin yung engine, kung gaano to kaganda ng engine. So tara guys, review natin ang 2020 Geely Coolray Comfort. So as you can see guys, tignan nyo naman yung harap ng Geely Coolray. Okay? So poging-pogi, walang ginagayang design. Di ba? Woo! Tignan nyo naman. If you take a look at the lights, tignan natin. Yan. So dito naman, we have halogen headlights with LED DRLs yung dalawa guys. No? So nakalagay dito sa gilid, Geely Advanced LED. Yan, mga strips. We have halogen high beam. You have LED fog light. And then meron siya parang intake vent dito guys. This is not functional. This is for design. And then meron tayong lip dito sa harap. So it adds to the aggressive character ng Geely, no? And then meron tayong very nice red na parang V siya guys. Ayan. And then surrounding the Geely na emblem. Okay? So yan. So poging-pogi talaga yung Geely guys. Gustong-gusto ko yung design niya. And then tignan niyo naman yung curves ng hood natin, no? Very aggressively designed. Sino man ang nag-design ng Geely, props to them. Gandang-ganda ako sa forma talaga. So move on tayo sa tires, no? Yung Geely natin, yung brand ng tire na ginamit is Linglong Crosswind HP yung model. And then yung tire size natin guys is 215 by 60 R17. Okay? So 17-inch rims din. Kung titignan nyo guys, parang again, usong-uso ngayon guys, gunmetal with a silver finish sa harap. So meron din tayong disc brake sa harap dito. And then yung likod din natin guys is also a disc brake. Moving on, dito tayo sa side mirrors, integrated turn signal lights. Okay. So moving on, meron tayong character line from the doors here. Papunta yan sa likod. Yan. Dito. LED brake lights. Wow, look at that. Okay, so full LED dito sa likod guys. Meron tayong spoiler dito which parang really is functional, no? Meron siyang mga ducts dito sa baba. Yan, may butas. So yung ginagawa nito guys is channels airflow, no? Pababa. So yung dito, very aerodynamic yung pagka-design ng Geely Coolray. So dito naman guys sa taas, meron tayong high mount stop lamp. And I can't find okay, so parang yung niya guys, yung antenna nito guys is parang inbuilt na talaga, no? So you don't need the antenna talaga. Okay. So dito naman sa likod, makita na meron tayong big silver silver finish na merong nakalagay Geely. Okay? Dito naman you have your Coolray badging. Sa kabila again Geely. So sa likod naman guys, makikita niyo talaga na meron tong quad exhaust tips. Diba? Sports car. So, I hope you can see it guys dito sa gilid. Yan. So yan, quad exhaust tips. And yung finish na is chrome finish. Very nice. Meron tayong parking sensors dito sa likod. Meron tayong rear camera. Okay? So meron din tayong diffuser. We have a fog light. We have a floating roof design. Meron tayong roof rail dito din sa taas. Okay? So, yan yung guys, yan yung exterior ng Geely Coolray natin. So ngayon naman, titignan naman natin yung interior niya at gaano kaganda yung interior ng Geely Coolray. So tara, pasok tayo. Okay guys, so this is the key sa Geely Coolray natin sa comfort line. So tignan nyo yung key guys, very nicely designed. May nakalagay na Geely logo here. Okay, so meron tayong lock, trunk release. Meron tayong unlock function and then you can remotely start the Geely, no? Tara, pasok tayo. So yan guys. So ito yung interior, no? So when you open up the Geely Coolray, makita natin guys, we have plastic material here. Textured siya guys, high quality naman yung material. Hindi siya yung parang flimsy plastic, cheap, no? Cheap plastic, no? Material. Dito naman, makikita natin meron tayong brushed aluminum. Hindi siya real aluminum, guys, ha? Yung ano lang, yung finish niya. Okay? But still a plastic material. Dito naman, we have your door handles, no? Which is parang integrated siya sa door handles mo. Which is a really nice touch, no? Very high on design talaga to. Okay, dito naman, we have your padded armrest. Yan, dito. And then you have your controls for the mirrors or adjustments. You have your lock and unlock toggle, and then dito naman you have your toggle switch, no, sa windows. So auto up and down for the driver. Same as for the passenger. Okay, so lahat auto up and down, and meron tayong window lock function. And then we have this white stitching also. Dito we have bottle holders, and then your speakers is located here and here. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa seats. Now sa seats natin, guys, since this is the comfort line or the entry model sa lineup, hindi siya leather seats, yung sport leather seats na yan. Ito cloth seats lang. Okay? But okay naman yung niya, bolsters, no? Tingnan yung bolsters, aggressive naman. Meron tayong white stitching dito. We have this parang dotted design. Okay? Very nice. Right. So dito naman meron tayong Geely na logo here. On this side naman, tingnan niyo yung air vents, guys. Wow, tingnan mo yung pagka-design niyan, no? Very nice, well sculpted, no? And then if you look at here, guys, meron tayong traction control off. So pwede mo siyang i-off. And then ito yata yung adjustment sa dimming ating TFT screen. And then dito naman, we can see that meron tayong height adjustment, no, dito sa headlights niya. Very nice. So ngayon, guys, pasok tayo. Check natin yung loob ng Geely Coolray. So tignan mo, guys, since this is a comfort line, yung steering wheel niya is urethane, okay, polyurethane steering wheel. And then meron tayong dito, cruise control, merong limiter yung cruise control niya, set and reset. Dito naman yung call and function setting Bluetooth. On this side naman, you have your information button. Dito naman you have your mute, and then your next and toggle up and down sa ating audio. Dito naman you have your mode switch. Dito naman yung toggle key sa ating screen. Okay? So, moving on, dito tayo sa center, no? Sa center stock. Before that, guys, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung quality. Tignan mo yun man, dito sa taas. Leather to, guys. Real leather. Merong real stitching. Dito naman is just padded. Hindi siya leather, guys, pero soft touch. Okay, again, brushed metal along the dashboard. So, dito naman, guys, makikita natin we have a 10.5-inch screen. So, yung kagandahan ng screen na to, guys, okay, so I'm really amazed at this screen. High resolution. Okay, high-res screen to, guys. Hindi to basta-bastang screen lang, no? Okay? I go as far as mas high-res pa to kaysa Ford Ranger na infotainment system screen. Okay? Okay. So, moving on. Dito naman, you have your buttons, no, para sa, natin, sa screen. Dalawa lang, off. And then, volume natin. Okay? Dyan. Alright. So, moving on, dito tayo sa dito tayo sa baba. Meron tayong hazard lights here. And then, dito yung air vents natin. Well designed as well. You have your start, stop engine na button here. Meron tayong area here to place your things and other stuff. Moving down, makita natin yung shifter. Yung shifter pala niya, guys, is not the normal shifter, no, gated. Yung pababa, pababa, pababa. Ito, guys, parang toggle lang siya, no. So, you press down. Yan. Okay, ganun. Yan. So, you just press, tapos babalik siya, tapos yung, makikita mo yung ilaw dito sa, natin, na mag-move din. So, either reverse, neutral, park, drive. So, yung park na nasa middle, and then yung drive, and then, para, manual mode, or sequential mode, meron siyang plus and minus. Okay? So, itong Geely natin, guys, is not your traditional automatic transmission. Ito ay dual clutch transmission that you also see sa mga sports cars. Dito naman sa baba, again, brushed aluminum textured plastic. And moving down, you have your electric parking brake. And then you have your brake hold function. Meron tayong eco button. You have your sport mode, your hill descent control. Moving down, you can see that meron tayong dalawang cup holders, and then meron siyang parang adjustment dito. Okay, kung malalaki yung bottles, pwede, hindi siya gagalaw. Meron din tayong mga areas dito guys to put some stuff or your phone. Sakto to sa phone. Dito naman, you have your movable or sliding armrest. Let's try to open this one. Wow. Tingnan mo naman yung feel. Hindi siya gagalaw guys. So you feel like it's very premium talaga. So dito sa lalim, meron tayong maliit na yung space, pero meron tayong area dito to put some stuff. Dito tayo sa passenger side. Again, you have your airbag there. Meron din tayong airbag sa driver. And then, buksan natin yung glove compartment. We have a glove compartment dito. Merong ilaw. Meron tayong bottle holder sa kabilang seats. Alright? So, very nice. So, wow! So, dito naman guys, move on tayo sa up top. Meron tayong day and night mirror. Manual siya. And then dito sa taas, you have your dome lights, which are LED dome lights. Very cool. Okay, yan, LED yan. Yung ano natin, meron tayong vanity mirror, walang ilaw. Dito sa kabila, again, another vanity mirror, walang ilaw. Okay. Ito pala, meron, ano pala to guys, yung ano natin, center console, ano siya, floating design. So, meron tayong USB charger here. Dito naman, meron tayong accessory 12 volt outlet, and then meron pa yata sa kabila lang. Yan, another USB outlet din. Really blown away guys by the features na makikita mo sa interior and the quality inside. No? Hindi siya basta-basta talaga guys. You have to see it for yourself. No? Try mo tong puntahan, test drive nyo. Okay? So, makita mo kung ano yung nafe-feel ko ngayon. Okay, so moving on guys, pakita ko yung ano natin, yung infotainment system, which is a 10.5 inch infotainment system. Okay, ayan. I hope you can see it. Ayan, medyo maliwanag kasi guys. Ayan. So, tigil capacitive touchscreen to guys. You have your all your controls, music, media, your vehicle settings, andito din your ano, settings natin sa ating air conditioner, andito din. Tignan nyo naman guys, meron pang maliit na Geely dito. Wow, tingnan mo yung graphics. The graphic looks so amazing. Woo! Man. Sana ganito lahat ng mga kotse, no? Ganito ka HD yung screen. Wow, yan, no? Lahat ng mga parameters ng kotse, andito. Walang problema. Alright. So, moving on, dito naman tayo sa ano natin, sa dashboard, no? You have your rev counter here, you have your TFT screen there. And dito naman, makita natin yung speedometer natin. You have your fuel gauge sa ilalim, and then your temperature gauge sa engine natin dito. So kung titignan nyo guys, yung high res din yung ano, yung TFT screen dito sa harap. Okay? So tingnan nyo guys, nakapula yung kung saan merong nakaupo. Moving on, yung steering wheel pala niya is flat bottom. Okay. So there's lots of things to say with the Geely Coolray Comfort. Yung ano natin steering wheel guys is check na lang din natin. So, tilt siya, hindi siya telescopic. So, dito nga pala guys, sa steering wheel natin, makita natin na meron tayong intermittent function dito sa stock na to. Then, on this side, meron tayong all the functions for your lights nandito. Okay? So, guys, ito yung front or yung dashboard area ng Geely Coolray Comfort. So, what do you think guys? Comment kayo down below. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa likod. Check naman natin yung space, no? Okay? So, upon open up the back seats, look at that. Again, same as the front. Brushed metal dito. Meron tayong leather padded armrest. Door handle dito. You have your speaker here. You have your bottle holders. Then, pasok tayo sa loob. Check natin. Right. Woo! So ngayon, nakaupo ako sa Geely Coolray Comfort sa likod. Tignan nyo naman guys, we have very good knee room. Toe room, excellent. Thigh support guys, excellent. Dito sa baba, we have your USB charger here. And then meron tayong area there to put some stuff. So dito naman, check natin kung merong armrest. Unfortunately, walang armrest dito sa likod. Okay? Dito naman, meron tayong dome lights. Yung dome lights natin is also LED. Okay, so move tayo sa center seat nga pala. Dami ko nakalimutan, sobrang excited nga ako. Okay, so center seat. Center seat, no problem. Merong lip pero maliit lang. Diba? So no problem. So comfortable pa rin guys pag nasa likod ka ng Geely Coolray. No problem no, sa comfort. So next, punta tayo sa likod. Let's go! Buksan natin. Manual tailgate. Meron tayong cover dito, guys. Meron tayong tawag dito, meron tayong net to put your little things here. Dito din sa kabila, meron tayong net. And then, space overall is quite good for this size of a compact crossover SUV. Okay? And then dito naman, meron tayong organizer, guys, no, na cover sa spare tire. Yan, so may mga box dyan. So, pwede kang maglagay ng things, no? Okay, so yan yung ano niya, tools. So, kung bubuksan natin to, guys, if we can. Yan. We have a Space Saver spare tire. And then, steel wheel siya. So, ayan. So, maraming manufacturers, guys, are moving to Space Saver spare tire. So, yung ano natin, yung seats, pwede siyang i-move forward, no? I-fold natin yung seats. So ngayon, pwede natin i-fold yung seats forward, no? So fold natin. Yan, more space. Dito, boom. So ito yung yung tailgate or likod ng Geely Coolray. At this point, guys, open natin yung hood ng Geely Coolray and then check natin yung engine bay, no? So what we have here, guys, is the Geely or G-Power yung pangalan ng engine nila. This is a 1.5 liter dual variable valve timing engine, 3-cylinder, turbocharged. Okay? So, since this is a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, you know it makes good power. Okay? So, yung power figures na, guys, 177 horsepower. Torque natin, guys, is 255 Newton meters of torque. Okay? From that engine. And meron silang tested na 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.9 seconds. And again, this is paired with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Okay, yan. So fuel tank capacity ng Geely Coolray is 45 liters. Let's move on to the safety features of this Geely, okay? So meron tayong dual airbags. You have traction and stability control, ABS, EBD, with brake assist din. Okay, cruise control meron. Parking sensors we have sa likod. And auto hold function meron din. Okay? So yan yung safety features natin ni Geely Coolray. So ngayon, try natin test drive. Bigyan ko kayo ng mga yung mga driving feel na mga impressions ko. Okay? So first drive ko to ng Geely Coolray Comfort. Okay, so tara. First drive. Geely Coolray. Okay. Tagdahan mo tayo. Wow. Ang bilis ng shifting niya. Ang bilis ng shifting. Kung titignan nyo, kung makikita nyo lang yung rev counter, guys. Ang bilis ng shifting niya. Oh, second gear. Ayan. Third gear. Fourth gear. Ang bilis. Wow. Ang throttle niya, guys, okay naman. Very linear. And then aircon, malamig. Okay? Very nice. So hindi siya maingay, no? Yung outside na noise, hindi siya yung parang nag-creep na masyadong maingay sa cabin eh. Pati yung engine, guys, hindi mo masyadong naririnig. So yung insulation na nilagay nila, guys, is makapal yung insulation na nilagay nila dito. Kasi hindi mo manonotice talaga yung engine eh. You can't even hear it, no, in normal driving conditions. Meron tayong tatlong shift modes or driving modes, no. So meron tayong normal, which is nandito tayo ngayon, normal to. Okay, meron tayong eco and meron tayong sport. So at this point, guys, press ko yung eco. Okay? So tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. So ngayon notice ko talaga, guys, na medyo mas tame yung input, no, yung hatak niya. Next, guys, dito naman tayo sa sport. Yun, wow. Bilang nag-engage. Yung niya, guys, yung handling naman sobrang flat, walang masyadong bodily, no. Meron kasi crossover SUV. Pero hindi siya yung parang OA na parang nahihilo ka, okay? So yan, boom. No, absorb na absorb. Okay na okay. Hindi mo maririnig yung engine, no? Di mo maririnig yung engine guys. Try natin yung manual mode guys. Okay, wow. Yan, doon ko na narinig yung engine. Kasi yung engine niya guys, hindi yung drone na hindi siya pangit pakinggan, no? Okay din yung yung tunog. Ang ganda ng performance nito guys. So, Sir Emil, magkano nga yung natin, yung presyo nitong Comfort Line?
For the Comfort is 1,028,000.
1,028,000. See? 1,028,000, saan ka yan? Grabe. If you have guys any questions regarding the Geely Coolray, let me know. Or you can visit them at Kauswagan Highway, Cagayan de Oro City. Alright? And then, again, if you have comments, comment down below sa akin. And if, bago kayo sa channel ko guys, make sure to click that subscribe button, click nyo yung bell icon so that ma-notify kayo kung meron akong bagong uploads. So, once again guys, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures and see you guys sa aking next video. Peace out!